So I decided to go to Lodalen today. So I need to fill up the gas petrol first. I done it already now. I fill for 300 kroner. So now I'm ready to go to Lodalen. Also on the way there, there's Alexandra Hotel. It is in Loen. Look at this amazing view behind me. Isn't that amazing? It's like I want to stay here all day. Just look at this beautiful snake of ice going down. You see up there, there's a blue inside the ice, and it's just amazing to watch. I want to just stare at it all day. Look how amazing it is. Just look at the mountains in the different side. It's just very sharp, and then you have the small ice in the middle. It's just so amazing. I just want to stay here all day. But it's just amazing to watch. Just look at it. Just see. There's no wonder why lots of tourists will come and watch all the glaciers in Norway. Just look at that. Isn't that just amazing to watch? On the other side of the valley, you see these very tall mountains in the side here. Very tall. And it's so very steep down. It's so amazing to watch. And this entire valley is just so amazing. All the mountains here are just so very, very high. And it's going straight down, and it's so amazing to watch. I have a small, I'll show you. There's a small waterfall in the mountainside there. There is the mountainside, there's a small waterfall. And it's just It looks like rain coming down. It's just so amazing to watch. See, it's just, I don't have any words. I need to watch and watch and watch and watch without talking. It's just so amazing. I don't know how to say it. Isn't that amazing, the view behind me? Look at that. Look at all the mountains so high. Look at the narrow. It's just very nice.